Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying online classes. Students, in last class we have started revision of ninth chapter Windows Utility Programs. Windows Utility Programs. Today we will start our next topic, Sound Recorder. Which is the next topic? Sound recorder. Students, you know what is a sound recorder? Its name clarify that. What is the mean of sound recorder? Means that records the sound. Okay. Sound recorder. But in a computer, what is sound recorder? It is a application that is used to record your sound and save into the computer. A sound recorder is a very simple application that allows you to record and save sound on the computer. Now it is clear for you what is sound recorder in computer? A sound recorder is a very simple application that allows you to record your sound and save on the computer. You can record your sound through an audio input device such as microphone. Means if you want to record your sound, that time you can use audio input device such as microphone to record your voice, okay, or any sound. You can record your voice or any sound with the help of sound recorder. You can use microphones, but in laptops no need of microphones. You can directly use your voice. Now question is that how we can open sound recorder, or how we can use sound recorder. So some simple steps are there to use sound recorder. First step, click the start button. You can see here, this is the screen of your computer. You can see a start button here. First you have to click on this start button. The start menu appears. Click on the all program. Click all programs. The all program menu appears. Third step, click accessories. When you click on accessories, third step, you can see here application sound recorder. The accessory menu appears and you can see the application sound recorder. Click on sound recorder. At the time you have to click on this sound recorder. The sound recorder window appears just like that. Click start recording to record the sound you want. Here you have to click on this start button, start recording, and then you can record. Then you can record your sound. After completion of your sound, here till here you want to record. To stop the recording, click the stop recording. Now you can see the stop recording button. You have to click on it to stop your recording. Okay. This is the process to record your voice or any sound. Now, to save the recorded sound as an audio file. If you want to save your audio file, that time, first step, click the file name box. Okay. You can see the file name box. First step, file name box. Second, type the file name for the recorded sound. You can write any name to your file. Okay, here name is my talk. Okay, you can write your name. Third point, click save button. You can see the save button. You have to click on this save. The file is saved. Here 3 simple steps to save your sound. Okay. First click on the file name box. Second write the name of your file. And third step click on the save. Like that you can save your recorded sound. Next is games. You like most to play games on computer? So next topic is also games. Playing games is fun. You all knows you enjoying games very well. Okay, on computer you all have fun in games. Windows comes with a set of inbuilt games. The games that come with Windows are located in the game folder. Means some games are inbuilt in Windows. That games are located in a game folder. Okay. Whenever you want to enjoy the games, open the game folder and play the games of your choice. Okay. According to your choice, you can play any games that is in the game folder. The game folder is in inbuilt games are there. Okay. Some of the interesting games are Chess Titans, Inkball, Purple Place, Mahjong Titans. To start a game. Now question is that how we can start a game. To start a game, first step click on the start button. You have to click on the start button. Okay. The start menu appears. After that you can see here this is a game. So click games. Here you can see games. So click games. Third, the game folder appears like that. A game folder appears. Click the game that you want to play. According to your choice, you can open any game. Okay. The selected game window appears and then you can enjoy the game. This is very simple and you all knows how you can play games. Students, our next topic is WordPad. WordPad is a program used to type, edit, view and print text. You can see what is a WordPad. WordPad is a program used to type. You can type anything in WordPad. You can do editing. You can view your document and you can print the text that you have typed. You can take the printout of that also. Okay. WordPad is a program used to type anything, editing, view and you can take printout of your document. Okay. In WordPad, you can perform advanced formatting and can include graphics and pictures from the other programs. Means you can use advanced formatting in WordPad and you can include graphics from other programs. Okay, and you can add pictures also in WordPad. Now how we can start WordPad? To start a WordPad, first step is click the start button. The start menu appears. You can see this start button. First step is you have to click on this start button. Second step, click all program. You can see this all program. Second step, you have to click on this all program. The all program menu appears. After that, click accessories. Okay, you can see accessories. Click on this accessories. Now you can see accessories menu appears. At that time, you have to first step click on the WordPad. Okay, that you can see the WordPad window. In this, you can type anything. In this WordPad window, you can type anything. Okay, WordPad window is used to type, edit, view, and you can take printout of your text. Okay, students. Now our revision of 9th chapter is completed. Your homework is, if you have computer or laptop, anything at your home, you have to practice for sound recorder, games and WordPad. Okay, students. Bye bye. Take care.